Outdoor lighting is getting smarter, and photocell sensors are leading the way. But not all sensors are created equal. Let's break down the essentials. A photocell sensor automatically switches lights on at dusk and off at dawn. Simple, efficient, and powerful. With a 3-pin NEMA plug, you get basic on-off control. Add 2 more pins and you unlock dimming with the 5-pin. Want full smart integration? The 7-pin is your gateway to sensors, data, and remote lighting control. Enter the JL-710, a next-gen 7-pin photocell receptacle. It solves a major industry pain point, powering smart controllers without AUX output. With a built-in AC/DC power supply, UL certification, and ANSI UL-136.41 compliance, JL-710 cuts system costs by up to 30% and supports protocols like DALI, LoRa, RS-485, and more. Built for smart cities, it's plug-and-play, waterproof, and ready for the future. Whether you're upgrading streetlights, parking lots, or smart nodes, the JL-710 and NEMA sensors are lighting the way forward.